Hi everybody, and it's a sunny day at long last because we have had weeks now of rain and really cold wintry weather. Not what you want for the end of April, beginning of May. So, got my beans in. These are Harrigo Fair, and I started them off in modules in the Polytunnel and I planted them out last week and they seem to be all doing okay. Got lots of interesting little fungi coming up. And those strange ones again, but this must be something that is coming out of the compost. So a lot of the compost that we got was from the déchetterie, so who knows what is in there. So we've had a tiny little bit of slug damage there, but I find that this compost on the whole really deters the slugs. I'm afraid to say it has not been the case for this butternut squash. Now, the story behind this was I planted these out about 3 weeks ago and they were great. They were doing really well. Then we got a couple of days of really hard frost and that kind of just was the death knell. And then pigeons have come and pecked off the leaves, and then we've had a wee bit of slug damage as well. So this one is no more, but all is not lost because we have another one. So I always like to keep spares in the polytunnel, and this is the reason why. So if you get a hard frost or pigeon damage or whatever, you've always got spares to fill back in, so that's not bad. Sadly, this vine was tricked by the frost as well and put out a lot of young leaves and they've just shriveled. Now, I have had a look and sadly the frost has damaged it right back to the joint there. So I don't know if we're going to get new buds on it this year. We'll just need to wait and see. But the apple rootstock that I grafted here, I've done one on each side of this little rootstock that had died off at the top, and both of these have taken, so that is a nice success story. Salads have been a success. They haven't been affected by the frost at all. So I've got mixed leaf lettuce and some rocket, and I've got carrots coming up there. I've got some parsley there, so not doing too bad. Even got some nice gooseberries coming, and I'm quite fond of gooseberries in a gooseberry fool. Got to watch how much lactose I consume. It doesn't agree with me, but stewed gooseberries, yum yum yum. Strawberries doing okay. We've got some flowers and some set fruits, so hopefully soon we will be eating strawberries. And the raspberries next door, starting to get the flower buds on them, and some set fruit, so they'll be early raspberries.